We cannot choose when we'll face the end of life, but we can choose how we want to live our final days. Mount Hood Hospice is an independent, nonprofit, community-based program of care for terminally ill patients and their families. We offer compassionate care by registered nurses, hospice aides, medical social workers, trained volunteers, chaplains, homemakers, and bereavement counselors. Our team at Mount Hood Hospice is small enough to customize a program of individual care, but big enough to provide comprehensive, full-service programs.
We always have 2 nurses to respond to every 40 patients, compared to some of the bigger hospices that might have 2 nurses to respond to 100 or 200 patients.
I don't know what we would have done without them. Merlin was 69 when we found out that he had cancer. You can call them 24 hours a day, and if the person isn't in the office, they will get them to you on the phone within a matter of minutes.
Anytime through the night that I've ever needed them, they're right on my door.
My husband Gene's illness came on very suddenly. It was so wonderful to have the services brought to us. It gave us much more quality of lifetime.
Remember, you are entitled to hospice care and you can choose your hospice provider. A common misconception is that hospice is a place, a building, or an institution. Actually, Mount Hood Hospice offers meaningful treatment of the terminally ill in their home, nursing home, or wherever the patient is living. The patient's personal physician continues to direct the care of the patient, but Mount Hood Hospice becomes the doctor's eyes and ears and the managing healthcare team.
There are a lot of different things we can do, whether it be someone's having trouble breathing, or if they're having nausea, we can come out and help with that. And when someone is dying, we can be there for the family.
You want to help people, and you want to be there for somebody in a bad situation.
Mount Hood Hospice is a founding member of the Oregon Hospice Association, a member of the National Hospice and Palliative Care Association, and was the first freestanding hospice in Oregon to be granted Medicare certification. We're not just hospice, we're Mount Hood Hospice, dedicated to providing the utmost and compassionate, meaningful, end-of-life care, because every day is a gift.